I feel tired, God. It feels like I am dragging myself, wanting to move and live and find solutions, but it feels so much. Come, my child, rest in me. Take the time you need. I love you. For now, what is important is for you to stop when you feel like this. Stop everything. Conversations, friendships, work, everything. The solution is not to go in bed and sleep, though, even if this can also be very helpful at times. The solution is to go and do things that you know you will enjoy, like the sun, beautiful places, the sea, or dancing, or singing, or boxing. Stay more present with what you want, what makes you happy. You saw yesterday when you really wanted to stay and eat at Ips restaurant. This is a restaurant in Ghent, and Ip is the owner. Very, very beautiful. And you were willing to do this for yourself. You also found a table for others. It's not easy to let go of the years and years when you did what you didn't really choose and didn't really like or wanted. So your body feels tired also because it's important to stop and rest and do what you want. But actually not wanting to do things anymore isn't the same as wanting to do things that you love. It takes time to calibrate, so take it easy and be gentle to yourself, but really gently ask yourself and your body and give yourself permission to do a thing that you love, or even if you don't love the task itself, do it in a context that you love, with a nice view, with a good coffee, with music that you love, whatever it is that makes you happy. Add it to the mix and stop any conversations and interactions with the people who don't feel useful to you now. Don't give if it's not what warms your heart without expectations, as when you give from your heart and when you feel that warmth like you did with the kids, you don't even feel you are giving, as you receive so much tenderness, joy, you feel touched. And you saw the magic that happens. It's a continuous receiving. With that woman Maria who didn't allow you to pay, better said, offered the iced tea. I feel like this is something that I need to tell you about. There was a child who came to in a shop to buy an iced tea, and the people there were only receiving payment by card, and the child had cash. And I said, please give him the iced tea. I will pay for him. So the woman gave him the iced tea, and what happened is that the same woman, she looked at me and she said, there's no need for you to pay for this drink. I will not put it on the bill. So yeah, this is the story that I was writing here. It's a practice, and you will see that you will get better at this. You are already doing so well to follow that sensation, that warmth. And I wrote here a prayer. I pray for inspiration from God to nourish and nurture myself. Yeah. So maybe this can be a good suggestion for you to play with, to become more love and more freedom. I pray for inspiration, for God to nourish and nurture. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.